Well, guys, I'm excited to introduce to you guys the Canam full frame swap part 3, the final part. And as you can see, we have a frame swapped Canam. This is a little sneak preview for you guys. We're gonna jump straight into the garage, straight where we left off, and get right back to rebuilding. Here we go. Exciting stuff going down today. Last night while I was at work, Trev finished up putting on the sway bar links and got the shocks mounted up. Today, I just hoisted the whole thing up with our engine hoist and got the tires on for the first time. Starting to get some more bronze on that thing, and oh man. Here's just a little quick tip for all you rebuilders out there. Install your diff before the upper arms and the upper TMW bracket, or you'll have to undo all your work to get it back in. Now, we're gonna put the arms back on, and then hopefully we're gonna have some wheels and tires on this bad boy, and 4-wheel drive. All right, as you can see, we got a spindle on, we got an axle in, we got steering rods on, everything's bolted down.
Another shock.
Here's a little bit of the reality of what the garage looks like. Absolutely demolished. Looking good. We just finished up with the arms. Got the shocks bolted in. Tightening up this shock tower brace, whatever the hell you want to call it, from TMW. Look at all this bronze, man. It's looking good. We're about to jack it up about 6 feet in the air so we can get these tires on. And then we should have a roller. Ladies and gentlemen, we're proud to say that is what the Can-Am looks like on all 4 wheels. We've never seen it in this position. You've never seen it in this position, and it is good to see it in this position. Finally, looks like a garage again. We're gonna pull this bad boy in and then start prepping intercooler, the seats, the doors, the cage. We gotta finish putting all these wires where they need to go. Here's one last little look at all these parts. Oh man, powder coat turned out so good. Dang. Clean. All right, we are in the house this time. We are getting the seats ready. Got the seat bases bolted up. Going onto the seat now. Here's the little sneak peek of the seat. Can't remember if you guys have seen it yet or not. Oh baby. 2 of 4 seats are completed and mounted in the car. Oh man, it's looking good. Gonna look real nice once we get a door on there and a cage. Love how those seats turned out. Oh yeah, baby. All right, 2 more to go. Here we go. Not much excitement going down in the garage right now. Just a ton of rivets. We have the firewall riveted in, the floorboards riveted in, the front floorboards riveted in, the front plastics riveted in. We got these top babies put on. Radiator is hooked up. We still need coolant. And yeah, that's I guess all we got going right now. We're just riveting away. Ladies and gentlemen, we officially have a fully wired cage. We got 1 whip there, 1 whip there, chase light in the rear, up through the center, dual dome lights, up at the front, all our extra wires, and main 50-inch light bar wire. It was a clean install. We're about to go throw it on the frame, see how it looks for the first time. Well, we are officially bolting down the cage for hopefully the final time. We got the A pillar mounted up, C pillar bolted up, B pillar was not lining up, so we got a little strap going from the A to the B, pulling it tight. As you can see, bolt is gonna go right through that bad boy now. Trev, let's see it, bro. Oh, it's too easy. And we're gonna put a nut on the bottom and suck that bad boy right on in.
Give me a hand on there, would you?
And that is a simple TMW cage install, ladies and gentlemen. You should probably go subscribe now. I just went around and riveted all these little guys in for a roof. Just put little foam tape down the center lines, and I just foam taped the roof that is sitting inside. We have our first door kind of halfway mounted up. It looks pretty sweet. I am gonna go grab the roof right now, throw it on, and then we're gonna move on to some doors. And hopefully this thing's gonna start looking like a completed vehicle soon. So here we go. Got this little center dash plate installed. We got our new switch pros all dialed in. I just wired up these little dome lights. We got a front, we got a rear, and we are currently throwing in the skid plate right now. We got Trev on the rivet gun. We got a few in, holding her all down. It's finally looking like she's ready to go. It's been a little while from the last video. I think the outside temperature was approximately 85 degrees. We're currently in like 110, something like that. It's kind of brutal, but we've been doing a lot of work and forgetting to video. We got side plastics, we got rear exhaust plastic, we got tail lights. Everything's still loose, but it's on there. I also went ahead and installed our doors last week. Oh baby. There we go. Check out the inside. Nice little door handles. Bang, bang. We got Trev in the front. Switch Pro is officially kind of wired up via alligator clips. We are ready for some testing. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. You can't see the chase, but we got a backlight hooked up on the light bar and the shock tower mount. Fully functioning dome lights.
Let's go, baby.
And the best part, remote start.
Woohoo! I just swapped out this plastic that was broken and am in the process of tightening down all our front end. Headlights just got screwed in. Thing lights are all in. We just got our 10-inch light bar for the bumper. We need to do a little trimming down here so we can get it all mounted up. But soon we will have power at least. So next thing's gonna be coolant. And then hopefully we'll be taking it down the street. All right, we're fueled up, we're cooling it up. See what happens here. Original starter. We got some old gas running through the grill right now. We are jacking her up on the corners, trying to get some coolant flowing good. Man, it looks so damn good. I can't wait to drive this thing. Exciting times ahead of us. Look at those doors. Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially at the DMV with the Canam. We just talked to the ops. They're inside doing some paperwork. We came back outside to check on our rig. Oh man, we're officially VINless. No VIN for either car. Everyone say a prayer that they come out with an explanation. As you saw from Mr. Policeman, we have the original VIN number swapped to the new frame with the original title. Now it's time to figure out why this thing's not running right and fix that issue. Well, all the spark plugs seem to check out. We cleaned them up a little bit, put them all in. We just pulled the fuel rail. Now we got old Trev taking out the injectors. Hopefully get these bad boys cleaned up and we'll be running like a top. All right, now we're gonna see a little something special when we add some air. That should do. And just like that, the fuel rail is bolted back up, the injectors are clean, the spark plugs are cleaned, and gaps were checked. And here we go. We got some fresh gas. Gonna give her a nice startup for you guys. Let's hear how she's running now. A little cold outside this morning, but we're running like a top. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is officially the end of our full Can-Am frame swap and rebuild. King, you're pretty proud of that bad boy, huh? Hell yeah. All right, you guys better subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys for the next build.